financial market. Hi, I welcome you back in the next topic of financial market. Earlier we did the money market. Money market means where the securities less than 12 months are being issued, and the capital market means where the securities more than 12 months are being raised or being issued. So capital market is again of two types. One is the primary market and another one is the secondary market. But let us just have a look on the characteristic or features of the capital market. So as you can see that it refers to the facilities and institutional arrangement through which long-term funds can be raised or long-term can be arranged. Or the capital market consists of developmental banks, commercial banks and stock exchanges. Development bank means HDFC, ICICI, IDBI banks, such kind of banks. And commercial banks, you know better, way State Bank of India, Punjab National Banks, or nowadays all banks are being converted into State Bank of India. So such kind of banks and stock exchanges. Generally you must have heard about the name of stock exchanges, but we will study in details about this chapter in last. This is the last content of our chapter, so we will study about the stock exchanges. And if for economy it is very essential that these kind of institutions, that the capital market institutions should be sufficiently developed, and the operations dealings in these markets should be free, fair, and should be transparent organizations. And the information provided in the capital market should be like that there will be lesser risk, minimum cost of transaction, minimum transactional cost should be there, and most productive resources should be there. Should be most productive means whenever a person or institution invests the capital, it should not be like that ki his or her money should be invested in such operations where the in operations are useless or not earning it too much part. So capital market can be divided in the two parts. One is primary market and another one is secondary market. Before understanding about the primary and secondary market, let us have a look on the difference between the capital market and the money market. So first one is participants. The participants in the capital market are financial institutions. Just now we have done banks, corporate entities, foreign investors, and ordinary retail investors like you and me. These are the members of public. And distinction between money market says that we have earlier said in the participants of money market were RBI, banks, financial institutions, finance companies. Means if you observe that participants are almost, these are the same participants in the capital as well as money market. They uh, transact in the secondary market also. Secondary market means where the already issued securities are being traded. We will just study after doing these differences. The secondary market is a part of capital market. Instrument traded. Now the instrument traded in the capital market are equity shares, debentures, bonds, preference shares. But the instrument traded in money market are short-term debt instruments like as treasury bills, trade bills, commercial bills, and the certificate of deposits. Investment outlay. Investment in capital market, that is securities, that the securities in the capital market are having a generally low value, might be rupee 10, might be 100, or here the person who wants to invest, that he she can invest in smaller lots, that maybe lot of 5, 50, 100 or so on, any number of shares can be purchased. A small savings can be done through these securities. But in the money market, that the transactions are of huge amount. Like we have done that, always the transactions are in the multiples of 25,000 only. And as you can observe that investment in capital market is in the form of rupee 10, 20, 100, etc. Duration, if we talk about the duration, the capital market, the securities in the capital market can be traded for the medium and long term tenure. That equity shares, it may be for 5 years, 10 years, for a longer period. But generally in the money market, the tenure of the securities is 12 months or that lesser than that. Liquidity. Capital market securities are considered liquid investments because they can be marketed at the stock exchanges, means they can be bought and sold on the stock exchanges. But sometimes a share may not be actively traded. That means, like in the days of depression, recession situation, that one cannot easily find a buyer of a share. But money market instrument, they enjoy a high degree of liquidity. Capital market securities are liquid, but money market securities are highly liquid than the securities of capital market. In our economy, various DFHI, that is discount finance houses, are being established to meet the specific objective of providing a ready-made market for the money market instruments. That means money market instruments can easily be converted into the cash. Safety. Capital market instruments are riskier in both ways, that in the concern of return and principal repayment. Means if you have purchased the equity shares and the company, you know the feature of equity share, the company is not able to repay the value of the money of equity shares. So your money can be in the form of bad debts, or sometimes promoters may fraud with the investors. But the money market instruments are generally safer. Here a minimum risk of default is there, and duration, that is of 12 months. But if we talk about the returns in the capital market, they generally yield a higher return in comparison to the money market, because here the tenure is longer. That the money invested in the capital market is of longer duration. There is a great scope of earning capital gains, but in the money market the scope is lesser. So it's all for the day. Thank you.